Man, I hate the grocery store because I wanted to stay home to play GTA, Fortnite, and Call of Duty. What should I do? I know I am going to pull the fire alarm and make everyone go insane. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Mom, why is the fire alarm going off?
I don't know, Caillou. Let's evacuate.
Attention shoppers. There is no fire, but someone pulled the fire alarm, and it won't happen again. In this case, you can now return back in the building.
Oh, classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at the grocery store? You know that the fire department came and wasted their time. That it, you are grounded for 3 additional weeks. When we get home, you go to your fucking room.